Oh, dude, there's a bass right there. You see it on the bed? That's a big one. He's coming, dude. He's got it. He's got it. Look at that.
And maybe we should stick with what I know.
Oh man, this looks like it'd be fun on a mountain bike.
There's a good area right there I stopped and fished. And then, see that point, the mud sticking out? If you go up high enough, you can come down and not get super muddy. Right along this edge right here is where I caught that big one.
Oh, I saw a fish jump right there.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go.
Here.
Where's he at?
Right on the other side of that stick. See that grass over there?
Yeah.
Just do the clean area. Just cast it through the clean area. It's really close though. Okay, he's gonna go. Get him.
Oh
man, it's still sitting there.
Did you see him come out?
Yeah, he's still there.
Dude, that was so awesome.
He's still
Here, let me see your
there.
bass. How do you know? Let me see your bass. That's not too bad.
Not huge.
All right, dude, he's aggressive. Let's get him. He's over there. He's not interested in this thing though.
We would have seen him leave.
Chuck with the launch. I'm gonna go try over here real fast. You got him?
Yeah.
Nice.
That's a big one. Oh man. Not as big as the one we just caught, though.
Ooh, that's a nice one, Chuck.
I'm just playing with him. Just kidding.
Yeah, baby. Hey man, that's a
So
nice
what happened
one.
to him? I threw it at the end of the grass over there and just pulled it through the grass, and he hit it right as it came out of the grass.
Like right at that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
on the end of the light colored.
Yeah.
Oh, he's got a broken gill in there. Oh no, it's just full of mud. Not a pretty bass.
That's a nice one, man.
Good for me.
Yeah.
Might be the one I caught on Sunday. About the same size.
I think there's a lot of them in here.
In the creek. Ready?
Get the slow motion. Woo! Oh, that's so cool, dude.
It was so clear.
I know. Yeah.
Keep stuck there and land here, you'll be alright.
My foot went in, it's soaking wet. That's all good.
I think you missed the board. Awesome, go give it a shot. Well,
I'm probably gonna go down.
see where you're going first. In a blaze of glory.
I'll be on the blooper reel. Okay. Oh, dude, there's a bass right there. You see it on the bed?
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
It just swam off when it saw us.
Oh, I see it though. It just swam that way.
It's a big one. There's no way he's gonna bite anything though after checking this out. It's a big one though. It's probably a couple pounds. I'm gonna put this worm there and see what he thinks about that worm. He is not impressed with the worm. He's looking at it though. Hold on, he's coming. He's coming, dude. He's got it. He's got it.
That's huge. Look at that. Here's your line.
With the assist.
It's a monster.
Not bad.
Not bad for this pond.
Pretty good, man. A couple pounds. It's
At
probably 3 pounds. You know what? I didn't bring my my thingy.
Weight thing?
Yeah. There it goes.
But there's bedding.
Dude, that was cool, man. And I'm on line's a complete disaster. Yeah, basically I just set it in that bed and it like came over and it kind of looked at it for a little bit.
Did you twitch it at all?
Yeah, I started twitching a little bit and then I saw him, he was, you know, like nose down. I didn't feel the hit, but when he was nose down, I was like, he must have it. All right, since you're taking
this
the pause.
is kind of fishing I like.
Oh yeah, this is awesome.
It's just, I just love the creek. Like,
oh, there we go.
these are the yellow.
Yep.
Not that.
Yep.
I think that's my boy.
Oh no, he came off. Oh, that was such a good one.
This is what
Crap.
I caught.
Oh, nice. That's pretty nice.
They're really pretty. That's
Dude.
That's that old bass that sitting. I played with them for like an hour.
You think it was the same one?
Well, then I mean I don't know.
Dude, there's a bunch of them, man. Cast down there. I got another bump. Seems like a nice little spot right there.
Little bluegill.
Dude, that's a pretty fish.
They're really pretty.
Very
How
nice.
pretty they are. So pretty. They
Yeah,
looks
those are
like
nice.
lost some scales. Looking really.
Woo! Did you get one? Pretty.
Yes, that is the perfect spot. You get tree in the water? Yeah, see?
Yeehaw. Ooh, that's pretty, man. Look at
I
that.
caught one the other day, exactly. On that little tree underwater. See it?
Yeah. Yeah, yeah, I do see the tree underwater.
That's the one we played with. And
Dude, I like the colors on this thing.
oh, they're so beautiful.
Are you hung up for? Oh, there you go. That's a nice one, man. It's a pretty good size.
If we were going hungry, I'd eat 'em.
Yeah. Ooh,
Really
beautiful.
Creek fish.
Nice little fish. It gets bumped like the whole time back. Must be smaller fish. Oh, there we go. Oh gosh. Dude, this thing came out like a Mack truck. Like I saw it come all the way across the creek and just smack it. I thought it was a bass and look what it is.
Yep.
It's a little turd.
Big root with them.
That's a pretty one. Look at the yellow on that belly. Wow.
But that, like,
It's just a pretty fish, man.
they're gorgeous, aren't they? And when I got my blue on it.
There we go.
Oh, bass?
Is it a bass?
Nope. Bluegill?
That's a nice size one,
That's
though.
a big bluegill.
Woohoo! Look at that. That's a nice chunker, man. Oh yeah, man, that's pretty big for a creek.
No, for this creek.
Yeah,
That's
pretty
You
fish.
stuck your thumb in his mouth.
Yeah. Yeah, that was pretty chunky. So we might need to get across the dam. It's getting a little dark.
further now. You're a little heavy.
Ugh. Okay, that's full of water.
Oh,
Well, you almost took a dive.
oh, I think I just stuck my head. Yeah.
Yeehaw.
There you go. Oh, God.
Well, now I got both feet.
The sun came up, I grabbed myself a pole, headed down to the nearby fishing hole. Can't wait for that first cast, I'm gonna catch myself some bass. Watch me work that bait, I'm on a roll. Don't check for me at work, I'll be AWOL. I took my favorite jig down off the wall. If you spend all day wishing that you could be out fishing, let's go fishing with Paul. Have a crappy day, y'all.